Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps with codes on Android TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So, if you have your Android TV, let's get started. Now we're going to head over to the apps. And now I'm going to show you the download application. So if you do not have the download application already, I have multiple videos teaching you step by step how to download and install this app on Android TV. So watch those videos. When you have the application, just click on it to launch. And now you're in the application. I want you to bring your attention to the top right of the screen where you can find this pound sign. So click on it or navigate to it with your mouse or your remote. And you're going to find this keyboard pop-up. So here you can type in a shortcode. For an example, I'm just going to use a code on the top of my head, which is going to be for the unlinked app. So it could be any code. We have tons of videos on this channel. There's a video actually where we show you the top 50 codes for unlinked, top 10, top 8 codes for unlinked. So, or for downloader rather. So right, I will show you the top codes to download multiple applications on downloader. So I'm just going to use this code as an example. So 10381. And it could be any code of your choosing for any application. This particular code is going to download unlinked. Just click on load, and that's how you use the code. So be patient for a while, and download the application is going to automatically read that code, route it in 5 seconds, and take over the download. So in 5 seconds, we're launching, and we find the download application loading up to take over the download. Now, if your internet connection is good, this will take you just a couple of seconds. So be mindful of your connection. Check that you have very fast internet connection for downloads like this. As you can see, the downloader has taken over this download and the file is in progress. So I'll just hang tight and relax, waiting for this to complete. And when it does, I'll walk you through the installation process. So now that the download has completed, you find this install button here. The app will start installing automatically. You just follow along. If not, just click on install and the app stages and you find this. Do you want to install the app? So click install and give that a second. It's going to install the app to your Android TV and give you the open button, or you could just open the app from the app library. So when you use the code, this is how the process is going to be. And when you're done, you could delete the package file just to save space on Android TV. So I could click done and click on delete to delete the download package file and save space. I could go back out to my app library. So just navigating out to the app library. You see, I will search for the application and find unlinked downloaded right here. So that's the app. Found that insightful, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and if this was useful, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video. It's DaveTech signing out.